taken up. She's going to ascend with the Messiah, and it's the others that are going to be left here.
This stuff isn't for me to be prepared. This is for others.
This is a unique chord in the sense that this is integral to her belief system. So it's almost an excuse for having something is, God would want me to have this. How do you dispute God? Really?
I need to talk with you about the other trailer, because I understand you have another trailer.
I looked in there the other day.
But that was the first time in how long?
In 3 years.
3 years.
There are a few things I want in there, though.
My name is Corey Chalmers. I'm an extreme cleaner specializing in biohazard and boarding.
Take me throughout the rest of your place here.
Well, you'll have to watch the step.
I will.
As you can see, it's really dark in here. So let me switch this on night vision. There you go.